Welcome to our science fiction storytelling channel, Warp Drive. Let's explore today's story. The year is 2157, and humanity has finally achieved faster than light travel thanks to the discovery of exotic matter. The first interstellar mission is underway, and the spaceship Explorer is en route to a newly discovered planet in a nearby star system. The crew consists of 6 people: Captain Maya Patel, First Officer Alexei Ivanov, Pilot Li Mei Chen, Engineer Hikaru Nakamura, Biologist Dr. Sophia Reyes, and Communication Specialist Ananya Gupta. They are all experts in their respective fields and have been selected for this historic mission. As they approach the planet, they detect strange energy readings emanating from its surface. They decide to investigate and land the Explorer in a nearby clearing. As they step out onto the planet's surface, they are greeted by a bizarre sight. The landscape is dotted with strange structures, unlike anything they've ever seen before. As they explore further, they encounter an alien race, unlike any they've encountered before. The aliens are tall and slender, with elongated limbs and glowing green eyes. They communicate telepathically and seem to be friendly, offering the humans food and shelter. The crew spends several weeks with the aliens, learning about their culture and technology. They discover that the aliens have mastered the use of exotic matter, the same substance that powers the Explorer's engines. They also learn that the energy readings they detected earlier were from an experimental device the aliens were using to study the fabric of spacetime. But their idyllic stay comes to an abrupt end when the Explorer's crew detects an incoming fleet of alien warships. The aliens explain that they have been at war with a hostile race for centuries, and they fear that the humans' presence on their planet will attract their enemies' attention. The Explorer's crew decides to help the aliens and prepare for battle. With the aliens' help, they retrofit the Explorer with advanced weaponry and shields, turning it into a formidable warship. The battle is intense, and the humans and aliens fight side by side against their common enemy. In the end, they emerge victorious, but not without casualties. The humans say their goodbyes to the aliens and depart, their hearts heavy with the knowledge that they may never see their new friends again. As the Explorer returns to Earth, the crew reflects on their journey and the lessons they've learned. They realize that there is more to the universe than they ever imagined and that there are still many mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And they know that they will never forget the brave aliens who helped them in their time of need.